Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will teach you different ways to make money online. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 legit ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, these options are worth considering. So let's get started. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online. You can offer your services in areas such as writing, graphic design, social media management, and more. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr make it easy to find work. Blogging. Blogging can be a profitable way to make money online. You can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and create high-quality content. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online by promoting other people's products. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products through your website, social media, or email list. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services. Platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly make it easy to connect with students who need help. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular way to make money online by selling products without holding inventory. You set up an online store and partner with suppliers who ship the products directly to your customers. Online surveys. Online surveys are a simple way to make money online. You can sign up for survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research and earn money for sharing your opinions. Digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and printables. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to create and sell digital products. Stock photography. If you're skilled in photography, you can make money by selling your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and iStock. Virtual event planning. Virtual event planning is becoming more popular as more events are being held online. You can offer services like event coordination, marketing, and technical support. YouTube. YouTube is a great platform to make money by creating and sharing videos. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And there you have it, 10 legit ways to make money online in 2023. Remember, these options require hard work and dedication, but they can be a rewarding way to earn a living. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let me know which ones you are going to try this year. Leave a comment.